Step by step, finish the journey. Sentence by sentence, master a language.
Accept and agree.
How's work going at your company?
Pretty busy. Yesterday, the manager just agreed to my proposal.
You mean he accepted your proposal?
Aren't accept and agree the same?
Not exactly. You accept an offer or a proposal.
So, I don't accept an idea.
Right. You agree with an idea or an opinion.
Oh, I see. Then later, I agreed with him on the deadline.
Careful again. You agree on a deadline, not accept it.
So, I agree on the deadline, but I accept the proposal. Is that right?
Yes, that's exactly how it works.
Got it. Then this morning, the office sent me new rules, and I accepted them.
That's better. You accept rules or terms.
So, in opinions?
Opinions, you agree with an opinion or agree on a plan.
Let me try again. I accepted the new rules, and I agree with the manager's idea.
That's perfect. Your sentences are correct now.
Okay, now I see it clearly. Accept is about saying yes to something. Agree is about sharing the same opinion.
Exactly. You've understood the difference very well.
Summarize. Accept. Accept means to say yes to something that is offered, given, or decided, and to take it as it is. Examples. I accepted the job offer. She accepted the proposal. We accepted the new rules. Agree. Agree means to have the same opinion as someone and to say yes to an idea because you believe it is correct. Examples. I agree with my manager. We agreed on the deadline. Do you agree with this idea?
Let's practice.
That's enough for accept and agree in this part. Here's your sentence to practice. Accept what cannot change. Agree only with what is fair.